Tired of feeling bloated? It's a common problem, one that many of us have experienced at some point or another. But what exactly is bloating? In simplest terms, bloating is the feeling of pressure or fullness in your belly, often accompanied by a visible increase in stomach size. It's usually caused by excess gas production or disturbances in the movement of the muscles in the digestive system. This can be triggered by a variety of factors, including diet, stress, and even certain medications. Bloating can be more than just an annoyance. It can impact our daily activities, making us feel uncomfortable and sluggish. It can also be a sign of underlying health issues that need to be addressed. But don't worry, you're not alone in this battle against the bloat. In this video, we're going to present you with some tested and proven remedies to combat bloating and help you reclaim your comfort. If you have been struggling with bloating, stay tuned as we unravel some remedies to help you feel better. The first remedy is something we often overlook: hydration. Water is the elixir of life, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining our digestive health. By drinking enough water, we can significantly reduce the risk of bloating. However, it's important to steer clear of carbonated drinks and alcohol, as these can contribute to bloating. Instead, opt for plain water or herbal teas for optimal hydration. So, the next time you feel bloated, reach for a glass of water. Remember, when it comes to preventing bloating, hydration is key. Our next remedy is one that benefits more than just bloating: regular exercise. A consistent exercise routine strengthens your core, stimulates your digestive system, and helps manage bloating by keeping things moving in your gut. Remember, you don't need to train for a marathon. Even light daily activities like a brisk walk around the block or a morning yoga session can make a world of difference. Exercise is a powerful tool for overall gut health, so make sure to incorporate some form of exercise into your daily routine. The third remedy we have for you is probiotic supplements. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial to your health, particularly your digestive system. By balancing the gut bacteria, these microorganisms can help reduce bloating. They're often found in yogurt and other fermented foods, but can also be taken as supplements for a more concentrated dose. However, before starting any supplement regimen, it's always wise to consult a doctor. With the right probiotic supplement, you can say goodbye to bloated days. Our final remedy might surprise you. It's simply eating slowly. You see, when we rush through meals, we tend to swallow air along with our food. This excess air can lead to that uncomfortable bloated feeling. By taking the time to eat slowly and mindfully, we can reduce the amount of air swallowed and thus significantly decrease bloating. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. Remember, slow and steady not only wins the race, but also combats bloating. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Our journey towards a bloating-free life begins with 4 simple yet effective remedies. Firstly, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water promotes digestion and helps prevent constipation, a common cause of bloating. Secondly, regular exercise isn't just for weight loss. It's also a great way to stimulate your intestinal muscles and help reduce bloating. Thirdly, we talked about probiotic supplements. These little wonders are packed with beneficial bacteria that can balance your gut flora, aiding digestion and reducing bloating. And finally, remember to savor your meals, eating slowly to give your body ample time to digest. Each of these strategies is a step towards better gut health, and incorporating them into your daily routine can truly make a difference. So why not start today? Say goodbye to bloated days and hello to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.